Hey friends, so today we are outside. We're going to be getting some garden work done. Whoops, and I just realized I have a huge smudge on my lens. Alright friends, so we picked a couple of these little peppers today. I think these orange ones are those little lunchbox peppers. I don't know what this plant is, but we have this little guy. It was turning red, so I figured it was time to pick it. Although it was on the plant with all of these. So these guys are like, this one's like 3 times the size of the other one I just showed you. Now these ones over here look like maybe the lunchbox peppers and maybe red. I'm really hoping for some red ones. If this is a red lunchbox pepper plant, I'm totally going to be digging this up, sticking it in a pot and overwintering it. I was considering doing that for all of these peppers. I'm not sure. We'll see. This is a lot of peppers to overwinter though. Don't mind these sad leaves. These plants just got watered.
That's a good one.
This guy. I think these are big gems, although I'm noticing they keep getting these spots on them. Now I'm wondering if I should pick these before they're fully ripe because they keep getting those. Whoops, I picked the stem right off of it. Hey, it looks like I grew a sunflower after all. It's my one and only sunflower this year. Cool. Looks like it's gonna have more though. It was in this pot. I planted it and didn't think I had enough time for it to reach fruition. But apparently I did. I should plant it somewhere though because it looks kind of sad in this little pot. Well friends, we should go harvest our tomatoes. Ooh, that one doesn't look good. Ew. Oh, sorry ladies. Let's see if we can string this back up. Heavy tomatoes in a neglected garden.
Oh. This one looks ripe, Mama.
Yeah.
We still have some cute.
Look how big these are. Big cluster.
Looky, looky, Mama. So,
I'm gonna take this whole branch off.
it is a hot day.
This branch fell over too.
4 tomatoes.
I think my cucumber plant has crawled all the way up this string and attached itself to my tomato plant right here.
I wonder if we're going to get another Dr.
Witchy. They're over here. It's a fun tomato. Well, this black strawberry tomato plant really seems very affected by the blight. This thing never really grew very big for me compared to the plants next to it. Like it's only this far up the cattle panel. And the plant next to it's going absolutely bonkers all the way up here and crawling over. Good morning, my friends. So it is the next day, and I realized this morning that I have not shown you me taste testing these delicious lacto fermented pickles that we made together. I think maybe a week and a half ago. No, it's been more than a week. Probably closer to 2 weeks ago. I will link that video either here or here. I'm not sure. I think here. But I will link that video in the card above. I figured we should try these together. So I let these go maybe, I think it was, I want to say it was just shy of a week. I think it was like 6 days, and normally I do fermenting a little longer than that. So what I did was when these were done fermenting, I did taste them to see if they were at the right fermentedness for me. And so all I did was I tasted them to make sure they were done, and then I just left the fermenting cap on it, and I just stuck the whole thing in my fridge just for ease. And so now it is time. Oh, my kids put my forks in my drawer a little funky. Now it is time for me to show you what these taste like. This one's pretty. Okay. That's what it looks like. Delicious. All right. Very salty, but very delicious. Honestly, I am amazed at how close this tastes to a pickle without any vinegar at all in it. Well, I am definitely going to be eating these and feeding them to my children. They are going to go nuts for these, I'm pretty sure. It just tastes like a salty pickle. If you have not watched the video on the lacto fermented pickles that I did, you should go watch it and make these yourself if you are interested, and let me know how they turn out. I would love to hear if you like them or not. I will link in the description box where you can get these yourself if you are interested in fermenting some things nice and easily yourself. So anyway, I hear a chicken laying an egg. Until next time, my friends, happy gardening.